The ecological importance of bees. Tiny creatures, vital role. Bees, often overlooked as mere pollinators, play a critical role in maintaining the delicate balance of our planet's ecosystems. Their industrious activities are essential for the reproduction of countless plant species, ensuring the availability of food, medicine, and other natural resources. This essay will delve into the ecological significance of bees, exploring their role in pollination, biodiversity, and human well-being. Pollination, the transfer of pollen from the male part of a flower to the female part, is a fundamental process for the reproduction of many plants. Bees, with their hairy bodies and specialized tongues, are particularly adept at collecting and transferring pollen. As they forage for nectar, bees inadvertently pollinate countless flowers, enabling them to produce seeds and fruits. This symbiotic relationship between bees and plants is essential for the survival of numerous species. Biodiversity, the variety of life on Earth, is another crucial aspect of our planet's health. Bees contribute significantly to biodiversity by ensuring the reproduction of a wide range of plant species. When bees are abundant and healthy, they can pollinate a diverse array of plants, including both wild and cultivated species. This helps to maintain genetic diversity within plant populations, which is essential for their resilience to environmental challenges. The ecological importance of bees extends beyond their role in pollination and biodiversity. Many human activities rely on the services provided by bees. Agriculture, for example, is heavily dependent on bee pollination. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds are all produced with the help of bees. In fact, it is estimated that bees contribute to the production of approximately 1/3 of the food we consume. Beyond food production, bees also play a vital role in the production of medicine. Many medicinal plants rely on bees for pollination, ensuring the availability of crucial natural remedies. Additionally, bee products such as honey, beeswax, and propolis have been used for centuries for their medicinal properties. However, the ecological importance of bees is under threat due to a variety of factors. Habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases are all contributing to the decline of bee populations worldwide. This decline has serious implications for both ecosystems and human well-being. To protect bees and ensure their continued contribution to our planet's health, it is essential to take action. This includes promoting sustainable agriculture practices, reducing pesticide use, creating and preserving bee-friendly habitats, and supporting research on bee health. By working together, we can help to safeguard the future of these vital creatures and the ecosystems they support.